What are we gonna do today, old man?
Let's go up to Grandpa's. I got the last two fittings we need. I got a tight 90 and a gauge port. Hopefully they're the right size this time. And we'll button up the regulator. Maybe if we got time, we'll throw a battery on the fuel pump and hopefully see if it pressurizes and we don't have any leaks. Sound
Yep.
good?
Yep.
Are you ready to button up the front here?
Yeah.
Last time we ran our fuel lines. Kind of hard to see. You go all the way back to the tank. And then we ran out of pieces parts. And we want to start it?
Yeah.
We're going to start this. So we're going to throw some gaskets and get everything on the right way and button up the front regulator. Cool?
Yep.
Alright. First try?
First try.
First try. Oh man, those screws in there.
Screws.
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 More Allen head crap. I hate Allen heads. ICT makes something for everything on LS swaps, but everything is set screw Allen. We live in a rust belt. I know this isn't gonna get rusty, but people in the Midwest rust belt hate that right there. Right?
Mm-hmm.
So I messed up. I didn't count enough. I needed one more straight gold, so I borrowed one from the package I bought for your transmission. So I'm not going to be able to sleep till we replace this, but for now it'll work. Okay, we're just displaying all the different colors you can get from where?
Hot rod fuel.
Hot rod fuel hose. Let's put those on the regulator first for the intake because it's wide open now. It's easier to navigate. Go.
Yeah.
Straight windows on here, yep, and you get it started because it's kind of, you gotta bend it a little bit. There you go, send it home.
This is PTFE hose. So you can run gasoline, E85, alcohol, Red Bull. It's rated for everything you want to run.
Send it home with that. Ready? That looks cool. So there's not a lot of room up front for the gauge. It's just too many real tight bends. So I got this gauge port fitting and we're gonna put it on the back of the rail. But it'll still work. We'll still be able to see it. But we'll put it back here, okay?
Yeah.
Where'd your gauge go? Got it. Got a little thread seal. This is made for gas.
Are you in this video today?
Oswald's here.
What's going on, boys? Getting the fuel hooked up?
Trying. Need a little wrench. You can pause it, but. We'll tighten it. We'll get it on there and we'll tighten it and make it look nice. Yeah?
Yeah.
Throw it on.
Throw it on?
Yep.
Give her some gas?
Yeah.
Where's your bro? Still eating?
He's not
You
eating.
could shut it off.
I give him a popsicle.
Those factory gaskets aren't gonna work. Just take one. Take one at a time. Put it in the hole.
Right. This.
Yeah, you gotta push it in there.
Oop. Dun, 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 dun.
Cool. So these fit? Alright, dude. What do you think?
Yeah. Yeah.
We gotta bolt the intake down, but there's fuel system regulator mismatch fittings because I suck. Let's bolt this intake down and throw some power in that pump and
Yep.
see if we can get some pressure. One step closer. I'll get them all started because I know you like to drop things. About time you showed up.
You're gonna do some today?
Am I gonna do something? I'm the only one that ever does anything. Yeah.
Other than drink Mountain Dew.
That'll work, huh?
Yeah.
Complete disregard of torque specs? That'll work. You know what Mom says this looks like? Anybody have a guess?
No.
Mom said that looked like flux capacitor.
Flux capacitor, fluxing.
For fuel.
Yeah, here you go. Are you hungry?
Feed me!
Whoop, spilled a little. That was $4 right on the floor. You gotta be careful welding now. Cool, guys.
Yep.
You're
I will
seriously.
vote anybody in as an elected official if you get rid of these things. Tired of them. We'll have to bleep that out, okay? You ready?
Yep.
You can see down here, look, we got a little battery. We took the battery out of Betty and we kind of hot wired our pump.
Yep.
Ready?
And
Check out that gauge up there, see what it says.
Hurry. All the way over, all the way to the,
Oh, stop! Get away! Get away! Get away! We got a leaker. We got a leaker.
turn it off.
it still has 60 pounds.
Okay, well let's
It was
piss it
all the way
over.
to,
See?
it was all the way to 100. Oh boy,
I don't know what to do with that.
Do we have any tape?
just try tighten that inner,
Gorilla tape?
Yeah, I'm good.
Not sponsored.
Okay, we got a leaker. We got a
Gasoline.
leaker.
Oh, this is bad.
Yeah, this sucks.
We're experiencing technical difficulties.
Technical difficulties.
The leak. It wasn't the AN6 fitting, it was our little adapter fitting to our pump. So we just had to tighten that right there and then quit leaking. So we're all good. What's that now?
About 60.
60? Not bad.
And then it just boosted all the way down to almost 20.
Oh, it's off. It pegged out at 60 though, huh?
Yeah.
so you're going in the right direction.
Yeah, we're going
Okay,
down.
we'll set it right there and then we'll adjust it more when it's running. Next time.
Cut.
Cool.
Oh my gosh. Look at all the.
See the alternator? See, barely look down there if you can. It just barely fits. That's why I had to buy that 90. But it took me 2 tries to get it right. And then next time, well, you guys are going to your grandma's for a week, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So So while you're on vacation, go over there to the exhaust parts. I'm gonna build some exhaust for it, okay? Because we can't run it without an O2 sensor, so I'm gonna weld some of that together while you guys are on vacation. So the next one, we'll do exhaust. I'll have an O2 sensor bung, and then we'll do some wiring. Look at this thing, I got it for 12 bucks on Amazon. So we'll do some exhaust and wiring, and then we can fire it up, right?
Yeah.
Look here, one more thing. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Check this out. This is another Amazon find. That is a pack of 10 millimeters.
Guess how much money it costs.
We'll never lose them now.
See you next time.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and tickle that bell icon for more videos. Bye!
See ya.
Hello, Susan.